Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magdinilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagbubulad ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating, my dear brothers and sisters, the memorial of the Our Lady of Lourdes. Minabati ko po ng isang maligayang pagdiriwang ng kapistahan ang lahat ng parishioners ng Our Lady of Lourdes Parish sa Pedro Orata, Ordaneta City, sa pumuno po ng kanilang parish priest si Reverend Father Christopher Wax Heredia. Our gospel reading today is about the response of Jesus regarding the ritual washing of hands and even ritual foods of the Jews. And in the tradition of the Jews, there are some foods that are unclean that they are not allowed to eat. And here Jesus now tries to go deeper to their tradition, to their practice. And he tells them, nothing that enters one from outside can defile that person, but the things that come out from within are what defile. And what is the point of Jesus in our gospel reading today when he declares, thus he declared all foods clean? Jesus is telling us that what makes us unclean or sinful are not what we take inside, what we eat, not the food. But what makes us unclean is what we do, what comes out from our heart, from within. And so, yung panlabas ay nagmumula yan sa panloob. Kaya ang kabanalan ay nagmumula sa kalooban kung sino tayo. Holiness is not a ritual, but it is a relationship. And this is the danger of this tradition, that is holiness becomes ritualistic instead of a relationship with God. Kaya nais ng Diyos na sa the new covenant in the kingdom of God, it is no longer applicable yung unclean foods that make people unclean, but what makes people unclean is what comes out from within, and from within we do something evil or wrong against our brothers and sisters. Kaya ito po yung nagpaparumi sa mata ng Diyos, sa pamantasan ng Diyos, yung nagmumula sa kalooban at ginagawa natin ito sa ating kapwa. Nawa unahin nating linisin ang kalooban upang sa ganon ang kalinisan at kabanalan ay lumabas sa ating mga gawa. Muli, isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat.